Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
Here are daily videos of idiot drivers. Trouble in Florida. It's hard to maintain your lane without the other drivers intruding into your business. This man almost gets caught in the road rage and nearly gets his car bashed.
He's all on camera. Get back! Get back!
Is that what it says?
No, it says look you.
Is that what it says?
That's not my fault, but what do you want I do? My document, I don't care.
They are blocking the right lane, so use care going by there. Drive carefully. I'm Sherry Bernardi.
Need to manage a changing workforce? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit expresspros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support you.
Yes, sir. Can I see your supervisor? Why? You was doing 100 miles an hour when you went past me. I got you on my speedometer. You was doing 100 miles an hour, sir. All right. And you didn't have your blue lights on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Okay. If I did that, you'd pull me over and give me a ticket. Why not? Yes, sir. All right. Why are you wearing your seatbelt? I just took it off because I thought I was going to get out and talk to you. All right. Well, great. If you have an issue with what I did? Yes, sir. What's your name and badge number, please? You can see it right there. What's your name and badge number, sir? You're supposed to tell your name and badge number to anybody who asks, sir. That's your policy. Okay. 82247. There you go, guys.
Oh, this is a Christian. You're going to answer the question?
Yes. I didn't say sorry.
So how's school today, girls? The fucking stupid fucking retard cunt. You fucking stupid. Oh my god. What? You reverse. No, you reverse it. You reverse it. No, reverse one. You reverse it, mate. I stopped. I got the camera here. Hey, look, where's the camera? See my camera? Don't let the balance, buddy. Look, I got cameras everywhere. Yeah, I know. You reverse. I stopped the car.
Several days south of Ingham. At this stage, our plan is that we will have a police checkpoint near the truck pads at Rolling Stone. It is incredibly important that the public understand that the highway remains closed to the public. The temporary bridge that...
Come on, hurry up so I can get in front of you.
Yeah, but they're not good to...
Yeah.
I don't know, I was just... I mean, I suppose you don't have to go. We need garlic anyway.
Jesus, there's guys having a road rage incident in front of us.
That's what I mean. Maybe just don't go. Go home. It's not nice outside.
off the road.
That's not my fault, but what do you want I do? My document, I don't care. I don't care.
Get off the fucking road. Is your handbrake stop? Do you want me to push you over there? If you just take up the handbrake, I can try. Is it neutral? You stay, I'll just push. Get in, get in. Sit down, sit down. A little bit more, a little more. I think, yeah. Just helping you out. Is that alright? Yeah. I think it's good. Yeah. Appreciate your help. No worries, mate. Alright, take care.
Oh my god, dude hit the jackpot. Police showed up.
I have an 82-year-old man in the car. You guys are all spinning and disturbing. You give a...
You're as fuck.
Cute dog. I'm one...
Really? Nothing says I care about your safety like leaving Grandpa in traffic so you can argue about safety.
M478GFJ. Okay.
Well, that's your problem, you're getting on top of it.
Is that what it says?
No, it says look you.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
That's very interesting. You're on camera. I'm going to put you on YouTube.
Put me on where you like and I'll...
Watching this, you can see pure disregard for traffic law and human safety.
Mouth shut!
He's threatening, aggressive, and literally kicks the bike. What a master class in how not to drive.
Kiss each other!
When you think you're tough, but the camera sees everything. Ah yes, the classic splash the cyclist move, immediately followed by oops, ditch. Karma works fast.
You're on camera, so it's all on camera. Get back! Get back! You're right.
An old driver raged at a cyclist and even went after the cameraman. All caught on video, reckless and dangerous.
I'm so close. What the fuck was that?
That's not my life from you.
What were I doing? Indicate, how did I risk your life?
What?
How did I risk your life?
You flashed at me and then you started shouting at me.
What?
I otherwise be up there.
Wait a minute, I flashed you when?
You flashed me out.
Aye, but you didn't come in, the cars are still coming. The cars are coming, they stopped and flashed as well. Alright, so because you drive like an idiot, I fuck. Fuck you! Full on entitlement on fucking camera! You
going to report you to the fucking insurance company and the fucking police. What? Just there, when I was turning the corner, you come on my arse, honked at me like a fucking idiot. You know what I mean? You're delusional. I flashed you, I waited, you didn't pull out, the car started coming again, so I left. How did that put you in danger? No, you didn't even move. You didn't even move. You didn't even move. You sat still, so you didn't move. It's not a Happy Meal, mate. It's a fuck you meal. You fat skank. Ah, you heard me. Fat skank. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Dry your eyes, fucking ball bag. Let me drive. Oh, let me drive, ball bag. Let me drive. I can't hear what you're saying. You fucking fat fanny.
Whatever. Mate, if you get any fucking closer... Are you right? All good? Fucking idiot, mate. Fucking imbecile. Are you fucking for real, mate? What's the matter? Why don't you go back a little bit? You make me nervous. I am worried about you. Said that nicely. Don't do it, mate. You see that? Me? Look at you! I'm a nice head. I'm a nice head. I'm a nice head. I'm a nice head.
Have a look at you.
I'm a nice head.
Your arms, you fucking little weasel.
I've never had a needle up my arm, mate. Know what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about first, buddy.
Oh, it was up your ass, mate. No, it wasn't even.
And then you start calling me a junkie. But you made me nervous. That's all I'm trying to say.
That's why you're nervous, mate.
No, I don't take drugs at all, mate.
You and your boy.
No. Don't worry, mate. Hey.
Where's the bloody license, brother? You park like that or you park properly? Yeah.
Don't worry, mate.
Here, mate.
He's going on YouTube straight away. You're going on. You're an idiot.
Seriously, no. And then front of big road.
Mate, you can't. People can't even turn. Look. People can't even turn. Dickhead. Hey.
You're doing wrong. He asked you to learn. You're doing the wrong things. You're calling the area. You can't speak like that.
What are you? Who are you?
Hey.
Matter whoever. You can park like that.
I'm not parking.
Yes.
It's not problem.
Yeah. See ya. Go, mate. Let him go. You don't change people like this. Never change.
Okay, just stay away from me now.
Okay, let him go.
What's your name? Just stay away.
Let him go, buddy. Let him go. He's stupid. He doesn't understand. He'll never understand.
He doesn't know you.
We all know who the idiot is. Smile, YouTube. Here, there you go, YouTube. You can see yourself, how stupid you look.
It's all good, bro. Hey, calm down, man.
Bye. Watch him. Watch behind. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. You're gonna hit me. You're gonna hit me. Mate, I've got a motorbike here. Look, have a look. I'm in my parking here. Don't hit my bike.
Are you making money now, right?
Sorry?
Now?
Sorry?
Let's make money out. You got a champion, yes.
You got it.
Fucking champion, man.
You got it. You're the loser. We got you all your everything, Rego, everything. See you, buddy. Don't do this, idiot. We've got a camera, mate, on you. You know when there's a motorbike filtering, you're supposed to give way then. Read your law books. Read your books, buddy. What are you talking about? It's a filter. Like now, it's a filter. It's called filtering. And don't get upset, buddy. All right, just. I'm not upset. You're upset. Yeah, but you're going to hurt somebody. You have a good day, all right? He was shaking, he was nervous. He was not in control of his right mind or his wits, or he couldn't even talk hardly.